Yeah, hello, this is the art of making myself look a complete fool. This is an extremely good event, it's a wonderful venue. It's great being all together in one place. It's extremely well received, and so far everything is flowing beautifully. The frustrating thing is I've got endless meetings as ever, and therefore I am not able to attend all the papers I would like to attend. But the great thing is that the social events, the coffee being always available, it's lovely to be able to chat with people and make new contacts. I hope that's all. I'll add some more later. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Die congres is spyt georganiseer, die referate is van redelike gehalte en ja, alles loop goed. Van Afrikaans tot en met Nederlands.
Jammer hooggaan o Eden. Pukle wat de heilig noem. An origin matleen hoekpape bohe. Anna edunter fad doen heen agus duivshoed. An tarna rod na an tahas vi am galeri an Dalton King toch getadiante. Agus wat dit ook rigi dangan na doetjes agus na flastelnish. Agus an chiorod an tacht atá le cuasaí tearmhaíochta go léiríodh anna chud gnéithe an sin. An ceathrú rud gan an áras ná gásamháil chuch tainmhach, pléisiúrthas bhí gachéine linn le linn na cógála. Bhí gachéine dealgáilteach, bhuilas de cáde gur bhuilas le chéadúid ag go chéad cógáil de Euralex an Exeter fadó.